Hi Divanistas, this is Sawa from Divanistas. Welcome back to my channel. I'm here to show how to use our new lines of products. And thank you for all your orders. Now, those who ordered earlier on, you find this in your package. This is mini peel. Uh, we've had this for a long time. So what you do is, when you use peels, you want to take off the grease and other debris from your skin so that the product will sink into the layer of the skin and do its job. So you use this is a cotton ball. You pour it in it and degrease all your skin. Now, this line of products, what they do is, if you have acne spots and things, it does clear it. I had a scratch here. It used to be dark here. It hasn't cleared at all, but it's turning to pinkish. So this is what it will do for you. So you use this is the mini peel. You use it in the cotton ball and take all the grease or any debris on your skin. And then this is the peel. It has AHA, BHA, niacinamide, vitamin C, alpha arbutin. So the AHA is there and the retinol are there to exfoliate your skin, and the active ingredients, like the alpha arbutin 5%, vitamin C 5%, and B3 are there to brighten the skin. So you use this, you open it, you take a new cotton ball and you pour it in, and then you use it. I can't use it now because the last time I did it 3 weeks ago, so I can't use it. You only use it 1 month to 6 weeks. So if you use it, let's say September, you don't use it again after a month or 6 weeks after you use it. It's not something to use every time. So what you do is, after you use the mini peel, it dries fast. So you use this, pour it in, and then apply it to the skin. You use it in the morning, layer 3 of this. So you do this one, apply it, let it dry. In 5 minutes it's going to dry, and then you come back after 5 minutes, do it again, apply, wait 5 minutes, let it dry, come back and do it 3rd time in the morning. And then at night, don't bath the day you use it. If you are using it, today is September, is it 18th? You use it 3 layers in the morning and then 3 layers at night. You don't bath. You want it to dry. Now, for some people, it's going to peel. The first time I used it, it peeled a little bit around here. So you do it on the face and then the neck. My neck is sensitive, so I only do it 1 layer in the morning and then 1 layer at night. That's it. But the face, my face is stronger than my neck. My neck is hard to brighten, but so it makes it feel like it's hard, but it's very sensitive. So I do it once in the morning and then 1 layer at night. And then the whole day, you don't bath. You bath the next day. Now, the next day before you bath, this is water. you put some baking soda in the water, and then dip cotton ball in it. Now, don't let the cotton ball touch the base of this, because you don't want to touch the baking soda. It's very abrasive and the skin is sensitive. So just the water and then apply it. This will stop the peel from working. You know how we used to do relaxer? If you relax your hair, you have to stop you neutralize it to stop the relaxing. So you use the baking soda to stop the peel from working, and that will prevent the skin from burning. So before you bath, you do the baking soda and then go and bath. After you bath, the first day, this is Vaseline. I use only this. The first day, I don't use any product because the skin will still be sensitive. So this is what will calm it soothes the skin and prevent it from any irritation. So I do this like every half an hour, the whole day. I'll reapply. And then the next day, it might be, listen to your skin. If you apply the bright and clear and you feel irritation, go and wash it and then do this for the next 2 days. The next a day or two later, start using your bright and smooth twice a day, morning and night. And then after, so you use this, I usually wait like 5 minutes, let this sink in, and then if I want my skin to hydration, this is 5% alpha arbutin. I drop a little bit with, this is the carrot serum. I think it's called carrot serum. Add a little bit of the 5% alpha arbutin and press it on my skin. Okay? I hope I make myself clear. So you need mini peel. This is the mini peel to degrease your skin. After it dries out, use this 1 layer, 2 layers, 3 layers in the morning, and then at night you do it. You don't use this, you only use this once, and then at night you use another 3 layers. 1, 2, 3 layers. You don't bath, you let it dry, go to bed. The next day before you bath, use the baking soda. After the baking soda, this is Vaseline. You use it to soothe your skin. You use it the day. I use it every half an hour. The next day, after you bath, try the bright and clear. If there is any irritation, go and wash it and continue with the Vaseline. Listen to your skin. I used it 2 days. So maybe you should use it 2 days too. After the 2 days, it should heal. Your skin should heal. And then you use your bright and smooth. Bright and clear, sorry. You start using your bright and clear day and night. The more you use it, the more effective it becomes. My forehead is clear now. So and although my forehead is clear, I still use it, because the fact that it's clear doesn't mean it can't come back. I always say this: the pigment, the melanin is not gone anywhere. You just use this product to suppress it. It's not killing anything. When you stop, it fights back. So even in winter time when I'm tired, maybe in a week, I'll use it just in the morning, and then the next day I start 2 times. So I hope I make myself clear. And Divanistas, we need testimonials. We need testimonials. If it works for you, please send us notes. You do send us notes, but if we say we want to post it on the site, it's a bit this thing. Don't you change your name, please. Change your name. If you are called Hawa, say you are Grace and post your testimonial. This helps other people to for their purchase. Okay? So, and don't worry, people say, oh, I don't want to because you run out of products. I promise this time. Okay? Midamasi. Bye.